heart of Africa, where the grass whispers and shadows stretch long, danger doesn't always roar. Sometimes it slithers. Meet the continent's most feared assassins, venomous snakes locked in deadly battles for food, territory, and survival. Today, we enter the hidden world of deadly battles of venomous African snakes, where every strike could be the last. Sleek, fast, terrifyingly precise. The black mamba is more than just a snake. It's a biological missile, capable of reaching speeds up to 12 miles per hour. It can grow up to 14 feet long, and its venom is so potent it can kill a full-grown human in under 30 minutes. But what happens when this silent stalker meets resistance? Watch closely. A territorial monitor lizard stands its ground. One mistake, and the mamba delivers a bite so fast, the camera has to slow it down 400 times to capture it. If the black mamba is speed, the puff adder is silence. This master of disguise kills more people in Africa than any other snake. Not because it chases, but because it's almost invisible. With the fastest strike of any snake, up to 5 meters per second, the puff adder needs only one hit. Its venom is cytotoxic, destroying tissue and causing irreversible damage within minutes. But even this deadly assassin has enemies. Enter the honey badger, immune to venom, reckless by nature. What follows is a battle of endurance, venom versus resilience. When cobras clash, it's not always about survival. Sometimes, it's ritual combat. In the forests and grasslands, forest cobras and spitting cobras often battle over territory, mates, or food. These fights are less about venom and more about power. Who can press the other down? Who can maintain the higher ground? But when threatened, they don't hesitate to turn lethal. With venom that can blind or kill, cobras are not to be taken lightly. In many parts of Africa, venomous snakes aren't just wildlife, they're neighbors. Every year, over 1 million people suffer snake bites, and hundreds of thousands face permanent injury or death. But a growing group of snake rescuers are fighting back, not with weapons, but with knowledge and care. These handlers risk everything to capture and relocate snakes before someone gets hurt, or a snake gets killed unnecessarily. It's a silent war, not against nature, but to live in harmony with it. They don't seek the spotlight, but their impact is felt with every strike. These venomous snakes are Africa's most misunderstood predators, silent, deadly, and awe-inspiring. Their battles may be hidden, but their stories deserve to be told.